Today, we are going to be talking about sex and strength. You heard me well. And smoothie. Well, the smoothie we are taking today is the one that will give us maximum strength that will help you to last 40 minutes. It is high time you stop being a 40-second type of man. I know it's not your fault sometimes that when you are tired after a hard day's work, even as a woman, no matter your age or how hard you have worked that day or tonight, this smoothie will give you high strength that no matter how long he wants to go, you've got the strength to withstand him. I will be right back.
Lovelyness by Nature YouTube channel.
You're welcome back to Lovelyness by Nature. If this is your first time of meeting with me, this is a channel where we talk about relationship, we're talking about bedroom affair and food. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so, and you're going to enjoy every bit of it with me. And to all my subscribers, I love you all. For our today's video, we are going to be using few ingredients to make our smoothie, and these are carrots. We are going to be using a thumb size of ginger as well as banana. Let me get some banana out.
Thank you. That's right. Oh yeah.
First, I need to get my hands clean up.
YouTube channel. Discussion on family safe life.
We're going to scrape it all over and wash it clean.
My friend, let's go there, Thank you. That's right. Oh yeah.
You cutting it is just to help your blender not to work too hard.
My friend, let's go there, Thank you. Oh yeah. So we don't lie. For YouTube channel, discussion on family safe life, African and intercontinental dishes in different kind. My friend, let's go there, Lovelyness by Nature. Thank you. That's right. Oh yeah. So we don't lie. For YouTube channel, discussion on family safe life, African and intercontinental dishes in different kind. My friend,
Nicely washed and clean.
that's right.
And next, you're going to be adding the banana into it.
So we don't lie. For YouTube channel, discussion on family safe life, African and intercontinental dishes in different kind.
You'll be adding 1 glass of milk into it.
Thank you. That's right.
And half glass of ice. All this we are going to be blending together into smoothie.
My friend, let's go there, Thank you. That's right. Oh yeah. So we don't lie. For YouTube channel, discussion on family safe life, African and intercontinental dishes in different kind. My friend, let's go there, Lovelyness by Nature. Thank you. That's right. Oh yeah.
And the smoothie is ready. If you have enjoyed the making of the smoothie and you wish to be the first to see my next video, do this real quickly. Click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon for like, and also comment down below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. How does that taste? Nice?
Loveliness by
Thank
nature.
you.
Your family happiness is our